for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, rear window defroster, CD player, security system, electronic stability control, power windows, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.